we're trying to park the car right now. We finally found this nature preserve we were looking for. The GPS kept telling us to turn, and there weren't roads there to turn on. So it's been an experience finding it. So I hope it's a good trail. Talk to you later. Bye! Here. So we're gonna see how it is. Wait for these people to go by. Huh?
Have to get some boots.
I know, I have to get some boots too. I don't have any more boots.
Yeah, I don't have any more either. Hey, how's it going? Is it all uphill or is it just this little?
There's a little bit uphill, but it evens out.
Oh, okay, sounds good, thanks.
You said it's a loop, right?
Hmm?
You said it's a loop.
Yep.
Left or right?
Right.
It's pretty back here. It's all in the woods. It is a big hill so far. Here's a neat looking tree. I don't know if they're mushrooms. I don't know what they are. They are all over it. I don't know if you can make out how far up we are or not, but we're pretty far up. It's pretty. We didn't find a stream yet, but we did find some big rocks. Super pretty here. But it's even prettier when the leaves start to change. Internet promised us a stream. I think it's kind of dried up. No water in sight. Some really nice person though built steps. Very nice of them. Not sure what the scientific study is. It doesn't tell me, so I don't really know what not to disturb. No idea. Still on the trail. Not sure how much further we have. It's really hard to try and figure out from the little map online that we found. A lot of ups and downs. these little flowers are. They're dying back, whatever they are. Well, we finally made it, not to the end, but to where the GPS had told us to come, and there were no signs. So if we had just followed that, we would have made it here to this cool little bridge. How cool is that? Not much water though. Wow, it's totally clear. You can see all the way down to the bottom. There's my hubby taking my picture. Here's the other side. I don't know if you probably can't see the little fish because they're probably too small. Did you see the fish? There's some fish in there. Yeah. No, fairly little ones, but this is so pretty back here. Okay, I don't like how that shook when you climbed up here with me. Said I didn't like how that bridge shook when you climbed up here with me. Maybe it's a one-person bridge. We don't know. Yeah, there's fish. I doubt you can see them with the GoPro. It's pretty cool back here, though. See where those cars are? That's where the trailhead took us. That's where the GPS took us. And we're like, this is someone's yard. It's not a trail. If we would have stopped there and walked, we would have came right to the bridge. Alright, well, let's see what else is around the corner. Okay, I went under the bridge. Kind of a cool angle. Here's the water, and I came down and all the fish scattered. There are a few. I just don't know if you can see them with the GoPro. Very neat. It'll be shaky, but we'll walk down this way a little bit and see what's going on. The water's pretty deep. Did you see how deep some of it is? Huh? Did you see how deep some of that water is? Yeah. It looks like it's like 4 feet deep in some spots. Hubby taking some pictures that if he gets any good ones I'll steal later. Oh, it's happening. Little fish. I don't know if you can see them. They're really small. how clear the water is. There are fish, I just don't think they're big enough for you guys to see them. Alright, well I'm gonna walk back and see what's over the bridge. Look at how big this tree is. I don't know if I can step back far enough for you guys to see it. It is huge. I'll stand by it. He's 6 foot. And he doesn't even come to that first bump up there. And it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. Pretty cool. Wave. Look at that. 2 different trees. And they're connected. I guess they're biffles.